In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not responding in Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If Edge has frozen, won't load pages, or keeps hanging, follow along and we'll walk through a clean, reliable reset path that fixes most cases without losing more than you need to. Start by force closing stuck Edge processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus SC to open Task Manager. If it opens in a compact view, click More Details. On the Processes tab, look for Microsoft Edge, as well as any entries labeled Edge Web View or Background Edge items. Select each one and click End Task. This clears out frozen tabs, crashed extensions, and hidden processes that can keep the browser unresponsive. Give it a few seconds to make sure everything closes. Now relaunch Edge from the taskbar or Start. Often, a fresh launch after ending tasks is enough to restore normal responsiveness. Try opening a couple of sites or switching between tabs to confirm it's behaving better. If it still feels sluggish or stuck, continue. Open Edge's menu by selecting the three dots in the top right, then choose Settings. Go to Privacy, Search, and Services, and find Clear Browsing Data. Click Choose what to clear. For a thorough cleanup, set the time range to All Time, then select Cached Images and Files, Cookies and other site data, and Browsing History. If you want to keep sign-ins or site preferences, you can uncheck cookies and site data. Just know that keeping them may leave behind the cause of the freeze. Click Clear now and wait for it to finish. This removes corrupted cache entries and stale site data that commonly cause hangs. While you're still in Settings, go to About Microsoft Edge. This page automatically checks for updates and installs them. Let it download and apply any available update. If you see a prompt to relaunch, go ahead and relaunch Edge. Updates include performance fixes, security patches, and stability improvements that directly address freezing or not responding issues. To wrap up the fix, restart your Windows 11 PC, click Start, select the power icon, and choose Restart. A full reboot refreshes system resources, clears temporary locks, and ensures the updated Edge and any underlying components start clean. After the restart, open Edge and use it as you normally would. With processes cleared, cached data removed, the browser updated, and Windows freshly restarted, Edge should respond normally again. If the problem returns later, repeat the clear data step and double-check for updates. It's a quick maintenance routine that keeps things smooth. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to browsing without interruptions.